New Zealand Tour of India 2026 First one-day match at BCA Stadium, Kotambi, Vadodara. India won by 4 wickets in this match. Player of the match Virat Kohli 93 runs, 91 balls. Second one-day match at Niranjan Shah Stadium, Khandari, Rajkot. New Zealand won by 7 wickets in this match. Player of the match Darley Mitchell 131 runs, 117 balls. Third one-day match at Holkar Cricket Stadium, Indoor. New Zealand won by 41 runs. Player of the match Darley Mitchell 137 runs, 131 balls. New Zealand won the 3-match one-day series against India 2-1. Congratulations New Zealand cricket team. Player of the series Darley Mitchell.